I'm here today at UPM Raflatac's factory in Mills River, North Carolina. Their film and paper label stocks are designed to build brand, provide competitive advantage, and streamline operations. And their commitment to sustainability is second to none. In this video, we're going to get an inside perspective from the experts at UPM Raflatac on their approach to creating sustainable labeling solutions for the packaging industry. Let's begin.
Now, we're a company that makes the sticky labels that you'll find on all kinds of packages that you find in almost every room in your house, from the medicine cabinet to the shower gel to the food that you get from the store. And our sales today are about 1.4 billion euros, so we're quite a big company. In fact, we're the second biggest in the industry. And sustainability has been part of our culture for the first 40 years of our existence, and it will be for the second 40. And when we think about sustainability, we actually take a so-called life cycle approach, where we try to understand the environmental impacts at each point of the life cycle. And when we know that, we can then use a process of eco-design to try to reduce those impacts where we can. And we have a great team of experts to help us do this, and their job is to work with our customers and end users and try to find a more sustainable solution for the products that they're using.
When looking at new product development, we first must identify a need or demand in the marketplace. In the case of our new APR-approved pressure-sensitive label, we have determined a need from the PET bottle recyclers to have a label and adhesive that washes cleanly during the recycling process. This label stock should not cause contamination, quality issues, or yield loss for the recyclers. This helps further downstream when those PET flakes are made into new PET products such as decking, auto parts, or new packaging materials.
For wine labeling, it's important to differentiate your label, as that is the first thing that consumers see and feel. The label impacts their purchasing decisions. In fact, recent studies have shown that 40% of consumers will change their mind once they get into the store and buy something different than what they intended to. That's why the label is so important. We've chosen to highlight our Eclipse Black that is made with 30% post-consumer waste. The Eclipse Black with foil and embossed finishes can really make the wine label stand out on the shelf and grab the consumer's attention.
UPM Raflatac uses 100% sustainably sourced and responsibly sourced raw materials. Whether paper or film, all of our vendors meet our supplier code system, which ensures good environmental, social, health, and safety practices. In addition, we have an established chain of custody system in all of our factories and terminals. UPM supports all major forestry certification programs, including PEFC and FSC.
Creating more with less is UPM Raflatac's philosophy for better material efficiency. Sustainable and efficient use of resources leads to both production and cost advantages in the form of reduction in raw materials, water, energy, and waste.
Our commitment to quality is backed up by the global multi-site certificates for ISO 9001 QMS and ISO 14001 EMS standards. They demonstrate that our systems, processes, and tools for managing quality, product safety, and environmental performance are globally consistent. They also comply with the most strict environmental legislation.
Optimizing logistics can reduce waste and streamline the ordering process. Our label experts assist customers in choosing the perfect fit for their application, which ensures the right product is utilized for each end use. And our strategic network of factories and terminals offers the ideal product mix to ensure the shortest possible lead times.
With our holistic eco-design approach, we consider the sustainability of the entire product lifecycle, from sourcing, production, delivery, and product use, to recycling, reuse, or disposal of our face stock, adhesive, and liners.
Lifecycle assessments, also known as LCAs, provide a methodology for evaluating the environmental impacts of a product or process over its entire life cycle. Our Label Life tool collects the raw material and energy inputs from the value chain and converts them into outputs in terms of greenhouse gas emissions, energy use, and water consumption.
We are a front runner in providing solutions for managing label waste, and we look forward to partnering with our customers and their end users on the road towards zero waste to landfill.
Now that we've seen UPM Raflatac's approach to sustainable labeling from new concept development to end of life, consider all the possibilities for how you can apply these principles to your personal and professional life. Remember, sustainable business is good business.